Hello everyone, welcome to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Kieran and I'll be your instructor for today. In today's episode, we're going to dive into Excel conditional formatting with Microsoft Copilot. The goal of today's episode is for you to learn the ins and outs of how to become more efficient with formatting your data with Copilot by your side. We thought this would be an important tutorial as organizing your data with a simple prompt can make working in large files a lot easier without needing to know how to make formatting rules. So let's get right into it. For this example, we have data that shows us information of a superstore, including various different metrics of sales and profit. Okay, so let's click the Copilot icon on the top here and create a conditional formatting rule. I'm going to prompt Copilot by typing, please highlight the sales values that are over 100 in green to make the higher sales more visible. After it understands the prompt, it will show us a confirmation message, then we simply press apply. And there we have it. Copilot highlights all values in the sales column in green to allow us to see where the higher sales are occurring. The cool part of this feature is that it isn't just highlighting cells for us as we prompt it, it's also creating an official conditional formatting rule in Excel. So if we press conditional formatting here and click manage rules, we're able to view or edit what Copilot made for us in the future. Moving on to the next example, let's add some icons that makes our data easier to understand. I'm going to prompt Copilot to please apply an icon set rule for quantity and then press apply. Let's let that load, and there we have it. Copilot created a rule for dividing each value into a different color. Now, since I gave Copilot freedom to create its own rule, I can go over to manage rules to see what the logic that was used and can edit to my liking if needed. This feature is neat because it allows the rule to be made quickly without the knowledge of knowing how to start from scratch when creating a conditional formatting rule. For our last example, let's do some filtering. So hypothetically, let's say the critical order priority that involves phones needs to be addressed right now. I'm going to prompt Copilot to filter the data to the critical order priority and phone subcategory and let that clean everything up for me. And here we have it. The data is now filtered and focused on exactly what we want to see for further analysis. Now everything is where we want it to be. We can now ask Copilot to do advanced analysis to create graphs and charts as we explained in the previous videos. Well, that's all for today. We hope you learned some fundamental uses for conditional formatting in Excel with Copilot. Please check out our other videos on Excel to learn how to take the data and create graphs and charts if you want to take your skills a step further. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button and see you next time.